Afternoon, everybody. So, obviously, I've been doing the platform lighting, which you saw in the previous video. So, while I was doing that, I started thinking about how the rest of the scene is going to evolve, and it got me thinking more about doing the road and stuff like that. So, this area here was done with the AK terrains, or whatever it's called, asphalt, which looks very good, but it's quite hard to get nice. So what I think I've decided to do for the actual road in this area here is employ the same tactic that I used on the station platforms, because I'm very pleased with it and it was so easy. So what I've done is I've got some lining paper, wallpapery stuff. Got the thickest grade I could, so it's pretty thick, and I've laid it out for the entire run of the what I'll sort of call the town scene. So if I pan you along, so it goes all the way up to the end bit where I'm not sure what I'm doing. So that's where it's going to stop for now. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to plan the road and where the buildings and things like that are going to be, draw the road onto this, and then cut that out, and then I'm going to take it downstairs and I'm going to paint it with the same spray that I've used for the platform surfaces. Now I'm hoping, obviously, because this is a roll, as the rest of it there, it constantly tries to spring back or roll back up to its got like a natural memory, obviously. I've tried rolling it the other way and leaving it for a couple of days and stuff like that, and it doesn't seem to do much. But I'm hoping when that spray is on there, it'll be flexible enough that I can still roll it up and then lay it out and stick it down with some I don't know, copy decks or something like that, I expect, so I can pull it back up if I need to. So that is what I'm going to be doing for the rest of the evening, and I'll let you know how I get on. Sorry for the delay in videos. I didn't do a video in February at all, just been busy doing other stuff really. So I'd still been doing little bits. So this is the newly painted and fitted tarmac area. Still needs a bit of tidying up. I've got some, you can see that moving, so I've got a bit that isn't stuck down there. But I'll try and feed some glue under there to get that stuck, so should be able to sort that out. Right, so we've got the pavement which is going to go along there. The little bit behind, I will fill it with the gravel, so it looks like the gravel is just sort of coming through the fence. The fence is going to run along. Let me pan you around a little bit. So the fence is going to go all the way along. I'm going to put a little gate here with an access bit with maybe a little vehicle crossing there, just to get to this area here, which I'll probably put some old sleepers and bits of track and things like that. And then the fence will continue right up to this part here. This edge here, not 100% sure what I'm going to do with it. Obviously we can't have a clean edge. You can see the white of the lining paper. So I'll probably just kind of turf over the edge of it. Maybe put a curbstone going along, because this corner here, as you can see, this is where I did the plaster footpath which comes down, which I will fill that in and make it neater, and obviously so there's no white showing. So I might have it so the curb joins onto that. Not 100% sure what I'm going to have with this area. I will put a couple of lampposts along here, but the main thing I'm focusing on at the moment is trying to get the footpath done. So this is what we've got at the moment. So I've been playing around cutting bits and things like that. So I think what's going to happen is that bit is going to go in there and sit about there. So that's going to sit something like that, and then that leaves that actually lines up height-wise perfectly with that there. This area here, I might just fill it in with some gravel, and then put like a plant pot on it or something like that. And then that's going to go along there, and then there'll be some railings along here, or bollards or something like that. Obviously I've got loads of this stuff. This is just the wheel kit. And then that footpath is going to go all the way up there. So all of this is stuck down as well. From this edge where my finger is here, I'm not 100% sure what's going to be along here. I might, further up there's going to be houses, like just sort of up kind of there. There'll be some houses, and a shop, and I need to find somewhere to put my fire station. Other than that, that's about it. So yeah, haven't really been doing a lot, but hopefully the next video you will see all of this or most of this in place, and then I can start doing all the road markings and bus stop and all the usual kind of stuff you see. It's looking alright. I know I'm spending a lot of time doing this one area when I've still got, I might as well show you, I've still got all of that over there to even do. It's quite a mess, and it's a bit of a daunting thought to think that I've still got all of that to do, but that's why we do it, isn't it? I'm not in any rush, just want to make this bit as nice as I can. I want this bit to be nice before I move on to any other bit, because I'm hoping that doing this bit will develop my skills, and it already has developed my skills quite nicely. If I was to just race ahead and do the whole layout, then I'd be doing the whole layout to a poor standard, in my opinion. So at least if I spend some time on this, I can get good at doing the scenery stuff and the fine details and things like that, and then I won't have to redo everything twice. Yeah, that's about it. If you want to see the previous video, click the top link. If you'd like to subscribe, click the bottom link. Thanks for watching, everybody. Bye bye.